Fortunate questions.
This one's got like a little booger on it or
Woohoo!
something.
What is on there?
I don't
No,
know.
that's just a little burnt piece or
Okay.
a little oven
A little oven
kissed by the oven.
spot. All right, I'm going right to it.
All right.
Tom is sorry.
Tom is.
Thomas from Seattle, Washington says, Tom is not very happy. I hate, all capitalized, underlined, bolded.
Oh.
I hate the subscription model of software nowadays. Is there an alternative in the photography world?
All right. What a great question, because
We hear that all the time.
we do. And we don't hear it a lot. Like, it's not like the majority of
not.
people.
It's
But,
not.
you know, we get 20 photographers in a room. One person's going to go,
And
I hate the big company.
the A company.
Yes, because they hate the subscription idea. A lot of times it's just they don't understand it. Their feeling is, if I stop paying for it, I'm going to lose all of my work. You don't lose your work. You just don't have access to that software. It's still on your computer. It just says, like everything, it's not going to run because you didn't pay the bill. So it's not a big deal. But the question is there an alternative? Of course there's an alternative. Now, we would have said, I don't know, probably, 4 or 5 months ago, until we found Luminar by Skylum software. It doesn't replace our workflow. It doesn't yet. And I don't know. It's getting closer.
And
They added libraries right around Christmas time of 2018, which made it a little bit better. But I don't think they're quite there with the libraries yet, at least for me.
Yeah.
I can't speak for everybody else. But again, I'm that anomaly because I don't use Lightroom. I'm a strict Photoshop
And I'm a
bench
Lightroom
user.
guy.
And you're a Lightroom guy. And
So
you love it. No.
Well, I do love Lightroom, but
No.
I think, I like the subscription model. I just think it makes sense. I've
It
always
does,
got
for
the
me
latest
too.
updates, and I've got the full Creative Cloud suite, so I've got everything Adobe. Said the word. Okay, everything Adobe makes. So that's what I have with Creative Cloud. It's
Me too.
just all there. So Skylum is doing some great stuff right now. Great stuff, and I'm really impressed with their company and how they've been able to come out of the gates and just bulldoze everything. So, but I used Alien Skin, I've used On One, I've used all these different products out there.
Yeah.
They're just not.
I will tell you,
there yet.
for the price that Skylum's offering the software for, we'll put the link down below. You need to try it. Even use the link below.
Just even to try
and
it.
get a
Free trial.
use the free trial. And if you like it, you buy it. It's so inexpensive. I don't want to say cheap. It's inexpensive compared to that subscription model that we've been talking about. That you're never going to regret it, because there are so many things we've added it into our workflow. It's
Yep.
just not our wedding workflow. It's not our senior portrait workflow.
And Skylum's got some great other software too. I mean, their
Oh,
Aurora
they're-
HDR 19.
Blow your
You got
mind.
it. That's one you just have to have.
If you do real estate photography, if you even dabble in it, you must own.
If you do landscape photography,
Yep, it's
if
a
you do
must.
architectural photography,
Yep.
if you do any kind of photography,
Yeah, it'll blow your
It's
mind.
awesome.
Play with it.
and don't be scared of the word HDR because you don't have to shoot an HDR picture
Nope.
to get it to work. But
No.
anyways,
Good
that was a
question.
great question.
Something we get asked a lot. So,
Yeah.
hey, thanks for that question. And because you sent in that question, you are going to receive the coveted Chopstick Guy eating kit. Inside the kit, you're going to get the beautiful Vanna Show Him. You're going to get the lovely fortune cookie with inspirational sayings about photography, 2 sets of bamboo chopsticks, the wasabi soy sauce bowls, also hand strewn out of single pieces of bamboo. I don't know what it's made out of. It's bamboo. Bamboo. And there's also the coveted chopsticks rests in case your chopsticks get tired. So, if you have a question for the Chopstick Guys, put it in the comments below, and if we use your comment, we will send you the coveted kit for a big thank you.
That's right. And also, don't forget,
Say sushi.